同学们好，大家好。This is second parts, week 6 math class. Now let's start to look at the words. Okay, page 65. Page 65. We are starting number 11. We finished the number 10 last week. So question number 11. Get the big ones, please. Yep, okay. Question number 11. Jason collected 312 stamps last month. He collected 68 more stamps this month. A. How many stamps did Jason collect this month? Okay, we compare these 2 months. So first we draw a diagram. The last month and this month. Last month is 312. This month is this much plus 68. So it means 312 plus 68 this month. So from the diagram we can see, 312 plus 68 is this much this month. So now second step, we just write down here and we work it out here in the spare parts. We get the answer is 380. Then now third step, we write our word answer. The answer is he collected 380 stamps this month. Okay, B. How many stamps would each friend get if Jason's collection for this month was shared equally among 2 friends? Okay, you have to know there's 2 friends and they are shared equally. So you know how much Jason have this month? It's 380, right? So now let's draw a diagram. First step, draw a diagram, 380 and sharing with 2 friends. So you can see half and half. Now, second step, you can just write down here and work out on the spare parts. You get the answer is 190. You're dividing them and divide by 2. There should be the equal, so 190. Third step, write a word answer. The answer is each friend would get 190. 90 what? 90 stamps. Don't forget the measure word, okay? So each friend would get 190 stamps. Okay, now let's have a look number 12. Question number 12. Question number 12 is also 2 questions there, A and B, right? Sandra spends $175 on food every month. Jenny spent $159 on food every month. Question number 1. How much more money than Jenny does Sandra spend on food? Which they ask her how much Sandra spends more than Jenny, okay? Then I draw a diagram first. Sandra, 175. Jenny, 159. We already see that Sandra is more than Jenny. How much more? from the diagram, we can see, okay, this much is more than Jenny. So 175 take away 159. It's here, right? This is the question mark, is this much. So second step, we can write it down here. 175 take away 159. And we worked out here. We get the answer is 16. Then we write down here 16. Third step, we're going to write a word answer. Answer is Sandra spends $16 more than Jenny. Okay? Now, B. How much more money does Sandra spend on food than Jenny in 6 months? Well, we already know 1 month Sandra is more than Jenny, and more, it's $16 more. What about the 6 months? So 6 portion, right? First, we draw a diagram in 6 months, right? Every month is 16, so 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months. Right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 units. Each unit is 16. So 6 times 16. Then second step, we can just write down 6 times 16. And then we work from here. Work out from here. We get it's 96. So it's equal 96. Third step, we write a word answer. Sandra spends $96 more than Jenny in 6 months. Okay? Now let's have a look at number 13. Question number 13. Which one? This one? Yeah. Question number 13. Johnson travels 98 kilometers from his home to city. He travels the same distance back home. Okay, number 8. How far does Johnson travel to and from the city? So, which means here is his home. And here is the city. Okay? Here is his home, right? And here is the city. So, he has to go to work, and come back. Is that right? They should be the same distance. Now, we just say this called a return, right? Return. One way he goes is 98 kilometers. When he comes back, 98 kilometers, right? So first step, we draw a diagram. There's 2 portions. One is goes to the city. One is come back city. They should be the same. They both is 98 kilometers. Now, we are easy to see on the diagram. This is 2 times 98 kilometers. So we write down here and then we work out from here. Okay, so 2 times 98, we get 196. Now, third step, we can write down the word answer. Johnson travels 196, don't forget the measure word, kilometer to and from the city. Okay, to is go. 4 is go backwards. Okay, go and backwards. It's 196. Now, question B. Johnson has traveled to and from the city every day in a week. So that means in 7 days, right? A week is 7 days. So now we write down here. First one, we draw a diagram. A day is 196. There's 7 days, 7 times 196, right? So we write it down here, 7 times 196. Then we work out from here. We get 1,372. So we write down here 1,372. Now the third step. Johnson will travel 1,372 kilometers in a week. Okay? Is it clear? First, we try to find out in a day, 1 day, how many kilometers he travels. He travels, go and back, just twice of 98. Then we try to find out in 7 days how many kilometers he travels. So we just 7 times a day, right? 7 days. So 7 times 196. Is that clear? First, we worked out how many kilometers he travels in 1 day. So twice 98. Second, we try to find out in 7 days a week, right? 7 days, how many kilometers did he travels? Then now, it's say 7 times a day. Yeah, 7 times every day. So he gets 7 times 196. It equals 1,372. Get it? Did you get the meaning? Okay. I think we have a break. Then we're coming back. We have the third parts. Okay? See you then. Have a nice break.